Are you looking for a best bookkeeping work methodology for a property management business? Hi, this is Harnish here from Meru Accounting. I'm a chartered accountant by profession and providing complete bookkeeping and accounting services for real estate businesses all across United States, UK and Australia. Today I will walk you through a few important steps which you should consider while doing bookkeeping for your property management company on Xero specifically. As a first step, it's very important to get your Xero account set up correctly. In order to track the income like rental income by property, the first feature you should use in Xero is called class tracking. You should create classes for each and every property in Xero so that you can track income as well as the related mortgage interest and property maintenance charges for each and every property. This will give you the profitability for each and every property which you are selling on rent. The second tip I would like to give you that your mortgage account should be set up as a ledger account and not as a bank account. In Xero, there is a limitation that you can't post a journal entry in bank account. Third, you should send all your rental sales invoices through Xero itself. You can create recurring sales invoices within Xero and enter the details of your tenant so that invoice goes out automatically from Xero. You need to choose an option called approve for sending so that Xero can send the invoice on monthly basis and the customer can pay on time. Fourth point I would like to highlight is you should set up payment gateway Xero invoices. You can link your Stripe account or any other payment gateway is feasible to link under Xero payments. It will ensure that your customer can make the payments directly after receiving the Xero invoice and clicking on Pay Now button. While setting up a Xero account, you need to ensure that the conversion balances are set up correctly and it's saved correctly in Xero. While migrating from other system to Xero, you must ensure that conversion balances are matching and there is no balance left in historical balances. That will ensure that year-end finalization is done in a very seamless manner. As far as bookkeeping is concerned, your books of account should be updated on monthly basis. Only then you will get a value addition of doing bookkeeping or within Xero. That will give you more insights on your financials about your business operations. Every business owner knows everything about their business and what they are earning. But when it comes to the exact figures in front of screen in Excel spreadsheet or within Xero, it helps a business owner in making good decisions. There are certain pool of expenses which are very common, like how you should be like dividing the renovation of entire flat to various business units, how we should divide the common maintenance with various units in one apartment, how we should allocate various fixed costs of administration to various units. That all for all those questions, I believe you should take an advice of a professional accountant so that they can guide you whether it's really a capital expenditure or a current expenditure, and that will show you the correct picture of your financials. You can also set up an automated reminders within Xero to ensure that Xero automatically reminds your tenants to make a payment in case if it's not paid. For more updates regarding how we provide a bookkeeping for a property management company, do schedule a call with me or my partner in the link given below in the description. We provide a very cost effective bookkeeping solution for various business owners based in US, UK, Australia, UAE, and various other countries. Thank you and have a nice day.